Hey everyone, I want to take you inside the January content vault so you can see exactly what's included for this month. Let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so first and foremost, we do give you the content posting schedule so that you always have that handy. So I'm just going to skip over this real quick. We do show you how to use that, of course. And I'm going to go to where it says the 30-day content planner. So when you open up the content planner, what you'll see is the ability to make a copy. And then once you make a copy into your Google account, what you can do is you can actually just come in here and we're going to plan out all of this content together. And the call that's going to do that is actually happening in about 30 minutes. So come and join us if you are already a member. And if you're not, I'll include links down below so that you can join us. Okay, so we have included everything. It's color coded. It goes by the day of the week. And then we also include the categories that you would post each day. So we have like a specific day on like Mondays, we post this, on Tuesdays, we post this, so on and so forth. And then we even give you all of the content types. You just come in here, you choose one based on the color of the day of the week, and then you'll add the topic, what lead magnet you want to choose. So you can always get leads on all of your posts. And then of course your captions. And then as you start to post on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok and YouTube Shorts and all of these things, then we just have you go ahead and check off all the boxes so that way you know that you've posted every day on every platform for every single month. And that's how you're going to get traffic, lead, sales, and referrals for the rest of the year. Okay, so we're going to do all of that together in just a few minutes. And once you go on your own, what you're going to do is you're just going to open up some of the templates that we have for you so that way, if you need help, we got you covered for that too. All right, so let me go ahead and open up these square templates. We also include stories and reels, but let's start with the squares. So in Canva, what you'll do is you'll just go ahead and open this up. I'm going to click Edit Template. And when you are able to open this up, you'll just scroll down and let me just go to the grid view so that you can see all of the ones that are included. So you can see all of the things that we give you every single month. It's a lot of content and a lot of choices and options for you, and they're all professionally designed. In the very, very front, you'll notice that we have the holidays. So for instance, like Happy New Year. If I click on this, I want to show you in the notes section down here that we even give you the copies. You can copy this, throw it into ChatGPT or your favorite AI tool and have it rewrite it for you. You can rewrite it yourself, whatever, but we give you inspiration so that, again, you can always get traffic, leads, sales, and referrals from every single post. Now, let me show you the stories version of this. So if I go over here and I just open this up, we do have matching stories. And stories, if you don't know, are a great way to engage with the people that already follow you. So they will see this at the top. So when they log into their Instagram accounts, they'll see your little photo and it'll tell them that you have a new story that's waiting for them. So one of the cool things that I like about the stories is that we do give you the option to add the stickers so that you can take polls, you can ask questions, you can engage with your audience. And that's really, really important because we use social media to attract people, but then we're using things like stories and comments and messaging and DMs to engage with them. Okay, that is where you're going to get all of your leads from. So you can see here that we give you a little inspiration of what you should put, like what sticker you should put. But again, we do stories, we do all kinds of different things that you can engage with your audience, and it's really, really fun. Okay, so going back, we also include Reels templates. So these are going to be 15-second faceless, no talking required. So if you don't want to talk, you don't have to. And if I go ahead and edit this template, you can see what I mean. So if I scroll down here, you can see that we give you different things. So you can literally take a quick video of yourself, or you can use some of our stock photos, our stock videos to be able to do this. And like, here's one, if you wanted to put one of yourself, but you don't need to show your face if you don't want to, but these are just no talking, 15 seconds. And then when they click right here, on Instagram, for instance, or Facebook, then they can read your caption instead. So this is a great way to have video content without doing a lot of extra work. All right, so the next thing I want to show you is we do also include reels where you can talk and educate people as well. So let me show you what that looks like. And we use a lot of these reels every single month, and we put them on recycle because they work so well. So let me scroll down and show you what these look like. So we always include a monthly market update every single month. We do a real estate tip. Sometimes we'll do for buyers or for sellers. And then we always do a what X amount of money gets you in city name. So what $2 million gets you in Orange County, for instance. And then we do a ton of drive-through neighborhood videos, and those do really, really well on YouTube Shorts and all of our social media channels. Some of our most popular videos are us just literally driving through and showing the real estate of the neighborhood. So don't forget about those. And then we also include YouTube video scripts as well. So these are going to be horizontal. These are great for SEO. And once you upload them once, you never have to touch them again. And you can get free leads forever with all of your YouTube content. We also embed these in our blog posts, etc. So we can get even more traffic from Google as well. And one of the videos that we did last week is getting thousands of views this month already. So let me show you what this looks like. And for this one, we have how to buy and sell a home simultaneously in your community. 3 reasons not to buy the nicest home in your community and a specific neighborhood. How much does it cost to sell a home in your community? 5 reasons to stop renting in your community, and driving through X neighborhood in your community. So again, we do the drive-through videos as horizontals, and we also do them as verticals and horizontals as well, so that we get traffic on YouTube for both of those. And we do give you all of the scripts, every single thing that you need to be able to make that happen. And then one cool thing that we do that's just for fun is January pop by ideas. So let me go ahead and open this up so you can see what this looks like. And we include do-it-yourself pop buys if you're on a budget, or ready-made if you're feeling fancy. So we have a New Year board, so you can do, it's a New Year clock essentially. So you can do like a cheese board, a charcuterie board, snack board, or a cookie board right here. We also include some champagne ideas for your pop buys, and then popcorn door hanger for pop buys as well. We have one that's fortune cookies, which is really, really cute. And then a bath bomb, which is awesome. And then New Year's resolutions, notepads as a pop buy gift idea. We have drink stirrers. We have cocktail recipe mailers and candy champagne, and a couple of other really fun things for the month of January. And we show you where to get that and how to get it, to buy it or to make it, and all that stuff, all of the directions right there. So that is the January content vault. We do also include an area for you to look at our video swipe files. So again, we capture a lot of the really successful videos from our team, from our members, and also from other real estate agents around the world, and throw that into a swipe file that you can look at and get inspiration from. And I think I covered all of it, if I'm not mistaken. But like I said, if you are going to join us, please hop on the call in just a few minutes. It's going to be at 11 o'clock today. And if you are not on this call yet, what are you waiting for? Come and join us. And I really, really look forward to seeing all of your January content. Happy posting.